Matic. Where's Matic going? Matic, as a matter of fact, we're going to look at Matic and see where we can get a pullback because this thing's just flying off the bloody rails. Let's take a look at Matic. How are we all doing? Alex O Crypto here, looking at Matic, coming at you with update videos and looking objectively at where we can find pullbacks on altcoins and where we can look to DCA, possibly get some wicks coming down, set some limit orders in order to be profitable. There's Jonathan Schaefer. Much love to you, Jonathan Schaefer. Join us in the free Discord. People there helping traders, traders helping traders. That's what we're all about here. Trading live every morning at 8:30. We come to you live, and we can see that Matic here, flipping right into it. We have a top area and we have a bottom area. Okay, very simple to see. However, we want to find those areas where price will pull back because we've had a very, very nice astronomical move to the moon for Matic. But where can we look to buy if it's going to pull back? And that's a very good question. And what levels are we going to watch for breakouts? Okay, so we do this simply with volume, we do this with fibs, we do this with areas. So we're going to mark out some key levels above us here in order for us to have an idea of where we think Matic can go. So we'll do this with purple today because why not purple? Because purple is fun, okay? So we have some resistance above us, very simply marked out. However, when looking at this objectively, where can we see that price has had the most reaction, okay? And that would definitely be right here. So let's mark out that beautiful level, and that's $1.30-ish area. Okay, so $1.30 psychological area. Make it red, make it bright, make it vibrant. Okay, we know that this is the entrance to higher prices. Okay, so if price works its way up here, we can look for this to continue its way upwards, and then we have some stops along the way. However, this is breaking out of this massive down bear market when we fell because of, you know, SPF and all that fun stuff. So let's look at it now. We got some levels besides these ones up here. Now we go down into the nitty gritty, as we like to call it, and we look at Matic objectively. Okay, so we can see that Matic has made higher highs here, which is good to see. Okay, this is positive for Matic. Okay, we've had the massive move up here, and just like Ethereum, which is its older brother, it's kind of getting that move up finally. Okay, it's kind of getting that move up finally. So let's pull the volume across here, and let's take a look. Okay, let's take a look-see. Okay, and if this would load, that would be great. However, we do have some levels for you guys before we get into that. So what can we see here? We have this dreaded zone below us down below here, okay? There's that volume there, okay? If my head's in the way, I'm sorry. Sometimes it's big. I can move sideways, and we can do it like this, okay? We like to have fun here as well. So, and then we can see we have this zone above us here. So there's two zones, bear zone, not so bear zone, and then, hey, we could be going to the moon zone, okay? So we need to be aware of the volume zones, okay? So we've marked out these key levels for us. Why are these key levels? Well, we expand this up, right? And we look at this here. So we got a point of control, okay? So we're going to mark out our point of control initially. Boom, boom. Let's mark it out, POC, okay? Very important to mark out your point of control because typically price wants to hang out at the point of control, okay? Typically, okay? We can see that's the point of control of this range here, So very aware of where that point of control is. And actually, right now, we are currently coming back to it. So we could be looking for a bounce and a continuation upwards, okay? But we want to grab cheaper prices if we do get a nice retracement. So where are these levels? Volume, support, and resistance. So where's the exit to this upper bearish area? The exit is right here. So we'll put that one on the chart for you initially. Where do we likely think we're going to get the biggest bounce is if we lose the point of control. I believe we will come back down to this 80 cents psychological level. Okay, 80 cents is a great level to think about. Okay, if we do trickle down, we could look for the continuation to the upside. Now, we do have our lower levels that we have marked out for you guys, so make sure to add these to your charts. You know, we were thinking here, you know, you put 20%, 20%, and then you save an 80% just in case, right? Depending on your risk management and your allocation for DCA, okay? You want to be prepared for anything. I mean, it's crypto, baby. It could go to the bottom. So we always need to be prepared for that too. And this is obviously not financial advice. So simply looking at this, we have those levels there. And then above us, if we do continue up here, we can see that we have volume here, bang, and very much a key support and resistance down here. We put in a lot of volume, and then to break out, we see this here. So if we do continue upwards, make sure to have these as well, because you could always trickle down. You could pump up, and then you could trickle down from here to these levels as well. So make sure to add these to your charts as well, and set those limit orders. There's the Discord. We're active, man. We're active. So join us over there. Subscribe if you haven't already, man. We'd love to have you, as long as you're a good person. You know what I mean? We're only good vibes here. So make sure to add these to your charts for Matic so that you're prepared for absolutely everything on these charts. I don't know what I clicked there. I clicked the wrong button. Sorry about that. I clicked the triangle button. That is clearly not a triangle. Okay. But remember, $1.30. Okay. This is why it's red. $1.30. And then for below us, we said that key level right here, 80 cents, right? Make sure it's red. Make sure it's red. So we'll make sure that the key levels that we are looking to dollar cost average / trade are marked red, and then the point of control is our very much middle of the road kind of buy-in. Okay, so add these to your charts. Make sure to practice good risk management. This is not financial advice. However, we would love to have you join us in the free Discord. Going live every morning, Monday to Friday, 8:30 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Much love to every single one of you. Thank you guys. God bless, and have a wonderful rest of your day. Peace out.